Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, we'll be replacing the CMOS battery in your Panasonic Toughbook CF19. First thing you want to do is remove the battery and hard drive. This unit already has been removed. Now flip the unit over. Now you have to remove all the screws on the bottom plate. Then it's a little easier to pry it open when you open the port covers. And now that it's exposed, you can remove the CMOS. There's just one cable to detach, and then you can pull that right up. There might be a little bit of adhesive at the bottom. Since it's just an example, I'll put that one right back in. And that's it. Make sure that cable is secured and all the screws on the bottom plate are put back. And you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.